What's one of the best ways to get your audience excited about a new product before it even hits the market? Take them behind the scenes. Behind the scenes video gives your audience a sneak peek into the development process, letting them feel part of the journey, and that can build serious anticipation for your launch. In this video, we'll discuss behind the scenes videos as a way of supporting your go-to-market campaigns. It's one of a series of videos we're producing for GTM efforts. Watch this space for similar videos. Better yet, download our new booklet, Maximize Your Go-to-Market Effectiveness with Video. Stick around to the end of this video to learn how you can get your own free copy. You know, video has a way of making the behind-the-scenes process feel personal and real. It allows you to showcase the hard work, creativity, and innovation that goes into your products. Whether it's highlighting your team, showing off prototypes, or explaining key decisions, a behind-the-scenes video adds a human touch that builds connection and trust with your audience. It's also a great way to demonstrate your expertise. People want to know the why and how behind your product, and video can tell that story in a compelling way. From early sketches to final testing, taking your audience on that journey makes them feel more invested in the product and more likely to support it when it launches. Now here's the best part. Creating behind the scenes videos no longer has to be a logistical challenge. With remote video capture, you can film from anywhere, whether your team is on site or working remotely or half and half. It's easier, faster, and requires far less effort than traditional production methods. No film crews, no travel, just a streamlined process that gets your video ready quickly. Video is also incredibly versatile for other go-to-market efforts. You can use it to create product demos, deliver launch announcements, or even prepare your sales team with training videos that get them up to speed. Again, I'm covering those go-to-market tools in other videos, so keep an eye out for them. So if you're looking for a unique way to engage your audience and give them a look behind the curtain, behind the scenes video is the perfect solution. To get a free copy of our ebook, Maximize Your Go-to-Market Effectiveness with Video, just leave a comment below and I'll send you one. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and comment below. Let's talk about how video can support your next big launch.